Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, today I have beautiful, amazing paper art decoration ideas. You can see it is very interesting and stylish. Rocks art, stone art, paper art for family, for kids, for animals, and etc. So different pebbles frame, different pebbles decoration ideas, and I hope you like it. Then you like it, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can see more video. So please press the bell icon and you share your friends and family members. And I hope you like it. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye, see you soon.